In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Miro. Whether you're building a mood board, explaining a concept, or enriching a presentation, images can make your board clearer and more engaging. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can add, position, and adjust images with confidence. First, open your Miro board. From your dashboard, click the board where you want the image to appear. Give the board a moment to load so everything on the canvas is ready to receive new content. Next, look to the left toolbar and click the Upload button. It's the one with the arrow icon. If you prefer a quicker route, you can simply drag and drop an image file from your computer straight onto the board. Drag and drop is great when you already have the file handy on your desktop or in a folder. Now choose your image source. You can pull an image from your device, connect to Google Drive or Dropbox, or paste in a URL link. If you're grabbing something from Google Drive or Dropbox, Miro may prompt you to connect your account the first time. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Using a URL works well for images hosted online as long as the link is accessible. Then select the image you want to use. Browse your files, click the image, and confirm. Common formats like PNG and JPG work smoothly, and higher resolution images usually look better when resized. If you're working with a large file, give it a second to upload before moving on. Miro will automatically drop the image onto your canvas. From there, click and drag to position it exactly where you want. If the image lands larger than expected, don't worry, zoom out for easier handling, then place it in the right spot. You'll notice that Miro offers gentle guides to help align your image with other elements, which is helpful for clean layouts. Finally, adjust the image size and angle. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions intact so your image doesn't look stretched or squished. If you need to rotate it, grab the rotate handle and turn it to the angle you prefer. A slight rotation can add emphasis, while a precise straight orientation is ideal for diagrams and screenshots. And that's it. Open your board, upload, choose the source, select the image, place it, and resize or rotate. With these steps, you'll be able to add visuals quickly and make your boards more compelling and easy to understand.